Hi everyone, we're up to tutorial 10 question 3. We're working with a geometric Brownian motion and we need to find the probability of a certain condition. So let's take a look at some of these steps. We're on the probability that the share price at time 5t is less than 2 times the share price at time 2t. And we know the share price follows this model, so let's drop that straight in. So we're trying to show, well, we're trying to find a probability that this thing is going to be 5t sigma b of 5t is smaller than 2 times S0 e. We have mu, take away half sigma squared 2t plus, should go up or down? I'll go up. Plus this. Sorry, I had to squash that on a bit there. Okay, so let's get a different color out and start cancelling. These S0s go. We could collect all the e's together. We have that 2. So maybe with that 2, we should write that as something with an e on the base. Maybe e to the power of log of 2. Okay, let's work with that for a moment, see what happens. So we have the probability that, okay, how should we do this? Let's put all the b's, the b of t's on the one side and the mu's and the sigmas on the other. So I'm going to try something here. I'm going to keep that. That's a 5. I'm going to keep all the b of t's and the sigmas on the one side. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I can divide through. And then on the other side, I'm going to collect all the mu's and the sigmas. Okay, so e to the log of 2 e. Okay, so how many mu's do we have? We have 5t. If I take that to the other side, that's going to be minus 5t. So 2t minus 5t, so that's minus 3t lots of mu. Then we have the half sigma squared. Okay, so actually that's going to be the same. So take that out. Just view that as one whole thing. So I've got 5 lots of that bracket. I take it over to minus 5 lots of that bracket, and then I add on 2 t lots of that bracket. Okay, so that works like that. Let's close that bracket. Now what? I would like to remove the e's. So let's do that. We have b 5t minus b 2t. The sigma, I think I'm going to take it to the other side because I know the difference between 2 Brownian motions has a special equation. What do we have left? Log of 2, take away 3t of that bracket. So bracket's enough. I need one more. Okay, so this is just algebra. I'm just simplifying. I don't think I can do much more here. So now I need to go to my properties. The difference between 2 Brownian motions. So use the property, use your definition. We know this follows the standard normal distribution. And it's going to have some multiple on there, which is the difference between 5t and 2t. which is 3t. That's going to come out as a root. So actually what we have using the properties, you should get this. Oops. Should get that condition. And now we can use our knowledge of z. So if I just divide through, we have we have this condition. So yeah, we're pretty much done now. We can use our property of z. This just relates to the tables. We just need to find the z value. According to the conditions on the right hand side, we just need to drop in some value t, sigma, and mu. With this answer, we can obviously need the tables. But for now, that is the probability, and that completes the question. I think that was quite a nice one compared with the others, which took 20 odd minutes. That one's just 6 or 7 minutes. Okay, hope you found that useful.